Hi there, it's Jade from SACS. Just to point out, in addition to the SACS portal, which you will be using for your candidate assessments, please keep an eye on our news feed. There's also a dedicated news tab here as well, as we run a lot of free events. So, for example, at the time of this recording, we're promoting a free 2-hour session online via Zoom, which is in regards to the management of psychosocial risk. Andrew Marty, the Managing Director of SACS and a registered psychologist, will be facilitating a really engaging interactive session on this topic. We will continue to update this news feed with all of our events, so please keep an eye out for any that you are hoping to attend. We do also make recordings available as well. We will also be adding little tidbits of information in regards to our psychometric assessments. And so we'll call out some factors and facets, why they're important, and what they may suggest in a workplace setting.